Stop tapping your screen 1,000 times. You're using your iPhone wrong. Here are 5 hidden gestures that will save you hours. Welcome back. Today, I'm showing you the secret gestures Apple doesn't tell you about. Let's speed up your iPhone. Number 1. The calculator swipe. Made a mistake? Don't hit clear. Just swipe left or right on the numbers to delete the last digit instantly. Number 2. The one-tap scroll. Stop scrolling for miles. Tap the very top of your screen to jump back to the beginning of any app or web page instantly. Number 3. The magic trackpad. Editing text is a pain. Just hold down the spacebar and turn your keyboard into a trackpad to move the cursor perfectly. Number 4. The hidden button. Did you know the Apple logo on the back is a button? Go to Accessibility and turn on Back Tap to take screenshots with a double tap. Number 5. The mass delete. Don't close 50 tabs one by one. Just hold down the tab icon in Safari and select Close All Tabs to clear your clutter in 1 second. Which of these gestures is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to snap into action. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.